So how's everybody doing? Just here demonstrating a first-person zombie survival shooter type game that I'm working on. I haven't fully figured out where I'm going to take it. Right now I'm just testing some basic functionality, zombie AI, some grenades I created, um, shooting zombies, etc. So we have different types of zombies. We have these big zombies, we have these crawlers, walkers, and the runners. So they all have a basic AI that makes them chase me, and then when they get in range, they will attempt to attack me. Bring my health down. If you see at the top left corner of the screen, so I can shoot each one of them. See, yeah, blood effects. So different zombies kind of have different levels of health, so it'll take a lot more to take down these guys. Load. Trying a flamethrower. Flamethrower deals a lot more damage. I think it's an instant kill for some of these slower, smaller guys, but for the big zombies, I've hit them a couple times. There we go, died. So we also have some items that you can pick up. We have this ammo pack right here, which will replenish my ammo. Where's my health pack at? I've got a health pack, which will take my health back up. Yep. So now we're also testing out two different types of grenades that I've created. Let's test out these frag grenades. Boom. Okay, still got one guy left. Let's test out these gas radiation. I haven't figured out what to call them. Grenades. Let's see. Boom. Dead. So shout out to the FPS low poly shooter asset in the Unity asset store, which provided these arms and the guns and some of the animation. And shout out to this low poly zombie pack, which provided me with the wide array of zombies that you see here. So again, I created some basic AI on the zombies. They'll chase me, they'll try to attack me. Once they get in range, I can shoot them. They have different effects. Some zombies are more resilient. We got grenades. Got some pickupable items, health, ammo. So I'm not sure where I want to take this next. I'm thinking about barriers, maybe going Call of Duty style, where you have some barriers that you can set up to keep the zombies out of a house or some sort of area, and the zombies will walk up and try to attack the barrier and take it down. Maybe I'm not sure if I want to add some sort of like food and water system and make this a real survival game. But I will definitely keep you posted. Should be coming with another demonstration soon. If anybody has any ideas of where I should take this next, just leave them in the comments below, or just any ideas in terms of how to help me improve the game. I mean, I'm really trying to improve the grenades. I mean, right now the grenades have a basic script that has a timer. Once they're thrown, timer starts, and then when the timer finishes, a particle effect is activated, and all the zombies within a sphere collider around the grenade will be dealt maximum damage, and will all die. Um, Trying to get the effect of cooking a grenade, so like if I can hold it for a second. Let me switch grenades. I can hold it for a second, let it go, and it'll explode sooner. So still working on it, but any ideas, again, drop them in the comments section.